Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. This is the next series of the Constraint brief introductions in which we will discuss about SQL unique constraint which ensure that all value in a column must be unique and different. Both the unique and primary key constraint provide a guarantee of uniqueness for a column or set of column. A primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint. It's kind of inheritance. However, you can have many unique constraints per table, but only one primary key constraint per table. Now, uh, sometimes we have a scenario of uniqueness in our application, and that's why we have to use unique constraint for a column. Like you have uh, a key or any kind of token which must to be needed as a unique, and it will be used for any kind of purpose. Like we have a credit card service, and in credit card there are different digits on each and every credit card, and that is not the primary key of the card, but that is the unique constraint which is applied on the card, which should be given to the relevant user. So in this scenario we will create a table in which we will choose the column to be unique, and we will enter the replicate data. So see, it is shown the error or not. Create the table having, we say we have class table, and each class have ID and class name. So it is a common scenario that class don't have a redundant name. If there is class 1, then it's understood there is only one class which name is 1, not another class. So in this case we will declare the name as must be filled and unique. Okay, it must be fill and must be unique for the name of the class, and ID will be replicated. Okay, so we have both scenario in this table. Either we can replicate the data based on ID column, and we get the unique data based on the name column. So let's create a table class. So the table is created, and here I will refresh the table. So we have the class, and now we will insert data into class. I will say dbo class, and ID and name. ID should not be null, so I have to give 0 or only 0, and class is class 1, and there is no age column. And now execute this. So it is executed, and when I will execute again, it's give me the error. And that's the beauty of unique constraint, because unique will automatically judge that this value is already inserted in the database. So whenever you have any kind of requirement where you need unique value, or the value which is once inserted will never get inserted again, so you will use definitely unique constraint for this purpose, to not to be replicate the data which is already inserted. So if I will change the string class 1 to any other class, like I will say class 2 having ID 0, and execute, so it is get execute, but when I will click again it will not execute, because unique constraint never insert the data which is already inserted. Now select the data from class table and execute. So we have replicate ID, but we don't have replicated name, just because unique constraint is applied on name instead of ID. That's why ID is available to be replicated and name is not available to be replicated. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorials regarding SQL. Take care. Bye bye.